Hello children, welcome back to the online computer class at BMS School at home. Children, today's class also the revision class of Unit 1, okay? So the Unit 1 is an operating system, okay children? So these are the subtopics we are going to revise in today's class, okay? So the subtopics are start button, working with files, adjust your settings, shutting down your computer, searching for files and application programs, Cortana and task view. Okay children, so these are the subtopics we are going to revise in today's class. Okay, now let us revise all the topics one by one. Okay children, so the first one is start button. Okay, so children, the start button is in the left corner of the taskbar. Okay, so this is the taskbar and the start button is in the left corner of the taskbar. Okay, so if you are clicking this start button, you can see the start screen and the start menu. Okay, so this is the start menu and this is the start screen. Okay children, while you are clicking the start button, you can see the start menu and the start screen. Now children, this start menu consists of power button, settings and some list of program arranged alphabetically. Okay, so the start menu consists of start button, power button and settings, and also the list of programs are arranged alphabetically. Okay children, and the start screen contains live tiles. Okay, so these live tiles take information online and keep on updating the information. So like news, weathers. Okay, so it take the information online and keep on updating the information. Make sure the computer is connected to the internet. Okay children, and the start menu is located in the left side of the screen. This is the start menu. It is located in the left side of the start screen. It has some button on the left and all the application programs are arranged in alphabetically on the right side. Okay, so here these are some buttons that are power button, settings button. So these all are left side of this start menu and all the applications are arranged alphabetically on the right side. Okay, so if you want to open any application, just click this. Okay children, now the next topic is working with files. Okay children, so here this is the file explorer button. Okay, this is the file explorer button. Here the file explorer shortcut is available on the taskbar. The icon look like a folder. Okay, so you can click the file explorer button to manage your files and folders. Okay, so this file explorer shortcut is available on the taskbar. This icon is look like a folder. You can click the file explorer button to manage your files and folders. Okay, so the next topic is adjust your setting. Okay children, if you want to change the settings of your computer, just click the settings button. Okay, if you want to open the settings, go to the start button and here you can see the settings option. Okay, so just click it. Okay, the setting windows appears. So if you want to change your account or updating your security, or if you want to change your things or network connections, so you have to click the settings button and you can change it. Okay ma'am, the next one, shutting down your computer. So in the same way, go to start button and in that power button you can see the shutdown option. Okay, so if you are just clicking this shutdown button, your computer will turn off. Okay children, so how to shut down a computer? Yes, go to start button, and in that you have to see the power button. Click the power button and click the shutdown button, so it will turn off your computer. Okay, the next one, searching for files and application programs. Okay children, so if you want to search any file or program, click inside the Cortana search box. Okay, this is the Cortana search box. So if you want to open or search any files or folders, you have to type it here. Okay, so I want to open word. Okay, so I am just typing word here. Okay, so it appears on the window. So if you are clicking it, it will open, the word file is open. Okay children, so if you want to search any files or folders, you have to just type in the Cortana search box and open it. Okay children, the next one is Cortana. Okay, so this is the icon for Cortana. It is voice controlled virtual assistant. This is voice controlled virtual assistant. Okay, so children, if your computer has a microphone, then activate this Cortana. Okay, if you want to activate this Cortana, if your computer is connected to the microphone, you have to say, hey Cortana. Okay children, so if you want to find any information about news or weathers, or some or if you want to do any calculations, you have to just ask to Cortana while clicking this microphone and ask. Okay, so it will answer to you. Okay, for example, if you want to find the direction to a place, or do some simple calculation, or to find the meaning of the word. Okay, so you can first click this microphone and you have to speak to Cortana. It will reply the answer. Okay, now just check this ma. Okay. What is 5 plus 10? Tell me about today's weather. Okay children, like this, if you are asking any question to Cortana, it will reply the answer. Okay, the next topic is task view. Okay, so the task view button is just right side of the Cortana. Okay, so it display all the active application on the desktop. Okay, so if you want to click this task view button to the right of the Cortana search box, it display all the active applications on the desktop. Okay children, so if you want to close a file or application program, just point out the thumbnail. Okay, just point out the thumbnail and you can close it. Okay children, so the task view button is in the right side of the Cortana search box, and it display all the active applications on the desktop. If you want to close any program or applications, you have to just point to this cross thumbnail and you can close it. Okay children, in today's class we once again revise the start button, working with files, adjust your settings, shutting down your computer, searching for files and application programs, Cortana and task view. Okay children, and children, now let us see some book question answers related to an operating system. Okay, so unit 1, operating system. answer the following. How does a computer work? How does a computer work, ma? Yes, a computer takes input from the user and passes them onto the CPU for processing, and then it displays the output. Okay, a computer takes input from the user, okay, through mouse or keyboard and passes them onto the CPU for processing, and then it displays the output on the monitor or through printer or through speaker. Okay, children. Now let us see second question. Give two examples each of computer hardware and software. Give two examples each of computer hardware and software. Examples of computer hardware are keyboard and mouse. Okay. So examples of computer hardware are keyboard and mouse. You can write any other hardware parts also. Then examples of computer softwares are Microsoft Windows and Adobe Photoshop. You can write any other software also. Okay. So examples of computer hardwares, keyboard and mouse. Examples of computer software, Microsoft Windows and Adobe Photoshop. Next question. What happens when you click the task view button on the taskbar? Okay. So what happens when you click the task view button on the taskbar? The task view button displays all the active applications on the desktop. The task view button displays all the active applications on the desktop. Now the next question. What are the words that activate the voice controlled virtual assistant? What are the words that activate the voice controlled virtual assistant? That means Cortana. Okay. So you can say, hey Cortana. Okay. You can say the word hey Cortana to activate the voice controlled virtual assistant. Okay, children. Hey Cortana is the word to activate the voice controlled virtual assistant. Now the last question. What is a live tile? Live tiles are found on the start screen. Okay. The start button consists of start menu and start screen. Here the live tiles are found on the start screen. They take information online and keep on updating the information. Make sure your computer is connected with internet. Okay. So what is a live tile? Live tiles are found on the start screen. They take information online and keep on updating the information. Okay, children. Okay, children. Now let us revise some extra questions related to Unit 1. Okay. So the first two is filling the blanks, and next one is true or false, and the fourth question is choose the correct option. Okay. So the first question, DAS is a voice controlled virtual assistant. The answer is Cortana. Okay. So Cortana is the voice controlled virtual assistant. Okay. Cortana is a voice controlled virtual assistant. Next question, the long bar present at the bottom of the desktop is called taskbar. Okay. This is the taskbar. The long bar present at the bottom of the desktop is called taskbar. Okay. The answer is taskbar. Next one. The word is an application program. Okay. So this is true or false, children? Yes, it is true. Okay. The word is an application program. It is true. Okay. Then the last one, choose the correct answer. The screen that appears after loading the Windows operating system is called desktop screen. The answer is desktop screen. Okay. The screen that appears after loading the Windows operating system is called desktop screen. Okay children, so once again I am repeating, DAS is a voice control virtual assistant. The answer is Cortana. The long bar present at the bottom of the desktop is called Taskbar. The word is an application program. The statement is true. The screen that appears after loading the Windows operating system is called desktop screen. Okay children. So children, in today's class we revised some topics from operating system, and also we revised some extra questions related to unit 1, and also we revised some question answers related to unit 1. Okay children, so this is the end of today's class. Bye and happy learning.